Today we're looking at a beautiful 2017 Baja 23 Outlaw. Great looking custom paint. We're going to take you through a full video walk around today. Nice colors. The green and the blue really pop. Very nice lines. Stainless rub rail. We've got polished blower vents. This one sits on a tandem axle haul right trailer. Nice looking custom wheels. Boat does have a matching spare up front. It's a very low hour boat. Certainly looks like it. Look at the nose. Clean bottom. Nice deep V hull. Center deck rail is powder coated. Stainless pop-up cleats. Matching paint. Low profile windscreen. It's a freshwater boat. There's your fuel fill. It's a great example of the Outlaw series of boats. Classic lines, great performance. Look at some more of this paint detail. Painted Baja logos. A lot of shine. See that fade in the silver, it's pretty cool. Getting to the back of the boat, you've got your aluminum tube swim platform, excellent condition. A lot of shine, no bumps, no bruises. Got a drop down swim ladder, Lenco power tabs, Bravo 1X drive, also got a 4-blade stainless prop. This boat has through hull exhaust, underwater transom lights. Got a stainless ski tow eye back here as well. couple small touch-ups in the blue. Corners are nice, the lines very clean. All the accessories, edges, very well cared for. Now we're going to take a walk through the inside. Now we're going to head through the cockpit. At the back of the boat, we've got a roomy sunpad. Nice pleating. Got a headrest section. Take another look at our swim platform. Stay on the ski tow eye. Plug in your stern light there. Boat is equipped with C-deck non-slip flooring. Got some step pads on the side. Matching cockpit and Cuddy. Got color matched accessories. Light up cup holders, JL audio speakers. Matching rear bench. Excellent condition. Side panels. Walkway lighting. Deep drop down driver and passenger bucket seats. Great looking helm. Livorsi gauges, tilt steering helm, Livorsi wheel, polished controls. It's a full JL system. There's your media master controller. Passenger glove box. 12-volt outlet. Matching non-slip on the step pads here as well. This boat is rated for 6 persons. Got a depth finder. This boat is equipped with switchable exhaust. Got a power engine hatch, push button. JL audio subwoofer under the rear seat. This boat is equipped with the Mercruiser 8.2 mag. Got switchable exhaust, dual batteries, spacious engine room. You have a spot to store an anchor right there. Under the back seat. There's your battery switch. Storage space. Boat also has a jumper cable system. Now this boat is equipped with a SmartCraft gauge, which shows the computer hours. But I'd also like to scan this for you, show you the run history. $66.3 hours. She's had a good life. Matching deck graphics. Very well cared for. Very reflective. Got your nav lights, 2 pop-up cleats up front here. Low profile windscreen design. This boat does have a cabin. Got a sliding entrance door, smoked material. This boat does have matching non-slip down here as well. V-berth sleeper. Got lighting, matching upholstery. You also have space for a porta potty. Nice headliner and walls. This one is very clean. Here's your snap-on cockpit cover. There's also a silicone cover for the JL Audio receiver at the helm. Our full inventory is updated daily at grandsportscenter.com. If you like these kind of walkthroughs, subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Grand Sports Center Inc. We post specials and new arrivals daily. If you have any questions, give us a ring, 847-458-6488. As always, thanks for watching.